Hey guys, my name is Freedom. This is Blender 5.2, how to insert any of the sound or voice, any of the audio files like WAV, MP3 into Blender 5.2 to make it part of the scene, the render scene, the scene. So how to make this, I'm going to show you all the step by step. Now you can see this is just a fresh new project file for Blender 5.2 and I have a WAV file. I just double click it and just listen to it first.
TDS testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Testing complete.
Alright, so now this is a voice file, this is an audio file. In Blender, to import it into the scene, what we need is just move our mouse cursor to somewhere at the corner. Just have a look. Click first, move your mouse cursor to a corner. Now you can see the cursor, it will just become a cross. This is a cross cursor. And here you just need to drag your mouse. Click your mouse and drag it to somewhere. Now it is going to open a new viewport at here. So in this new viewport, you just need to click the corner. The editor type, you switch it from 3D viewport to video sequencer. Right? Then you need to move your mouse cursor to browse the scene to be linked. Select the scene. Now you only have one scene at here. So you select the scene, the original scene, all of these things. Do not click add new, but we just need to select your scene. Then next we just need to import the sound to here, import the audio file to here. Click the add, then add the sound, select the location. For example, just now the WAV file, the voice file, the audio file is on my desktop, so I choose the desktop. Then double click the WAV file. Now you can see it automatically import into your scene. Then this audio file, WAV file, you need to drag it to the first frame. You can move your mouse cursor to the bottom. Click jump to the end point, jump to the first frame in the frame range. Click it, then drag the voice file to just make it stick on the first frame. Now this voice will just start from the first frame. You can see if I try to play.
TDS testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Testing complete.
So now the voice file, the audio file already insert into the scene. When you render any of your 3D animations, this audio file will just be rendered together in your 3D animations. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to insert any of the audio file into Blender scene to just make it part of the sound effect or any of the talking voice in your Blender 5.2 3D animation software. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you love the 3D animation, 3D modeling, and 3D game developing tutorial. See you in my next video.